Now that we've learned a handful of open chords, I'm going to show you how to string a few of them together to make what is called a chord progression. Now, chord progressions are how much of popular music is constructed. You will play typically only a handful of chords in a given song. It could be two, three, four, maybe five or six chords. But in general, popular music and rock music don't use a large number of chords in any given song. So to start it out, what I'd like to do is just to take two chords that play well together and we'll practice moving back and forth between those chords. So for a strumming pattern, we will strum 4 times on the first chord, then 4 times on the second chord, and then we'll repeat. I'll show you this using the chords G and C. So here we go now. We're playing G, 2, 3, 4, then C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. So that's a great way to get used to playing multiple chords for the same song. And it doesn't have to be G and C, it could be any number of chords, and in future videos I'll show some other combinations that play well together. But for getting started, just pick two chords that we've learned and string them together and go back and forth playing, alternating 4 strums on each chord. So we'll see you in the next video.